Are you stuck on the side of the road and can't figure out how to release your spare tire? Don't worry, it's really easy. I'm going to show you how really fast so you can get back on the road as fast as possible. Go into your rear passenger side door, lift up that back seat. There you'll find your jack and wrench attachments. You should have a jack, a lug wrench, and 3 connector bars. If your key fob looks like this, look for the little button on the side, press, and pull the bottom out to release your physical key. Now locate this little door next to your license plate and you'll find this lock. Insert the key, twist, and pull out the lock. You may have to wiggle it out a little bit. Now take these 2 identical bars and connect them together. Using the open square end of the bar, insert all the way into the access door and gently twist until you feel the bar catch. Now take the lug wrench and using the square hole, attach it to the end of your bar. Turn clockwise to start lowering your spare tire. This doesn't require a lot of strength and the tire will lower pretty quickly. Once the tire is on the ground, you can disconnect the cable and start changing tires. You can use your jack and the same tools to completely change the tire. Now be safe and get back on the road. Hope this helped.